In this video, I want to talk about housing market, which is an absolute apocalyptic freeze mode right now. I can see it here over in Europe. There are so little transactions happening, and the real estate agents, they urge you to buy properties. And this stands in complete contrast to the year 2021, when the real estate agents, they were really arrogant. They don't have the time to negotiate the price. They knew they put an object online, they put a rental property online, they put a house online, and it will get sold within a week or two. Normal. The sellers could make the price, the buyers just needed to buy whatever he tells, and they bought. Nowadays, nobody wants to buy real estate anymore. And if I take a look at stocks, they're quite expensive. If I take a look at crypto is not cheap right now, but it is still also not expensive right now. But the real estate market looks really apocalyptic. The high mortgage rates, imagine you want to buy a house, which will cost you $1 million in an okay city, right? At a good location. And then the bank makes an offer for your mortgage payment. And they will give you a rate of 6% if you're lucky. Then you're gonna pay $60,000 a year in interest. You don't even pay off your mortgage, just the interest, 60,000. If you also want to pay off your mortgage, you can easily add another 40,000 to that, and then you are at 100K for a house in mortgage. Who can afford that? A minority of people actually, making first of all more than 100K a year and have enough spare money to pay this much for a house. So, and even with rental properties, right? The prices, even if you want to buy a rental property for, let's say, only 100K, you buy 30 square feet. So let's say you make a 20/80 payoff, and on that 80% you pay your interest, right? Let's see how much that is. That is $4,800. Let's divide that by 12, and then you got exactly the rental income. What you get, like $400 a month, is usually what the rental income is. Maybe a little bit more, but what is left over after all of this maintenance and all of this electricity bills and stuff like that, that's probably not going to much more than $500 a month with a 100K property. Then you already see, okay, this investment is not so lucrative anymore, especially when you consider the alternatives. Right now we are at a point where you can lock in a guaranteed yield of 5.25% directly in the United States of America. And you can lock this guaranteed yield in for years. Then a lot of people ask themselves, why should I even consider buying a rental property with only 5% in yield that I get, right? If there is such a great risk-free alternative. I think it is a great opportunity for real estate as well to take action now if you find great deals. Me, myself, I'm also looking into great deals right now as the market is very calm. The customers, they can choose the prices. We can negotiate. It's very good. There's not a lot of competition on the buyer side. The sellers are getting more and more. And don't forget the inflation topic, which will happen at some point again. And don't forget what you are exchanging your fiat for. It has still a value which is not measurable in fiat. But this is for all of you who are already wealthy. And for all of you who are not already wealthy, you cannot afford to diversify. The power of concentration, right? The power of concentration is what is important. Concentrate all of your economic energy on one thing if you are not already wealthy, and watch it very carefully. Watch what happens, because when you do that, you have first skin in the game. You enter with massive amounts, you pick one horse, you have no other choice than this, your investment, to succeed. And with cryptocurrency, especially with Pzen. We, the holders, we can make a giant impact on the future of this protocol. We can make the appearance of this protocol look absolutely fantastic. We can attract new investors as a community, and we can thrive this protocol to greatness. And with that, as you, the person I'm talking to right now, has massive skin in the game, as you are not diversified, as you have all your economic energy in one protocol, Pzen, you cannot afford this thing to not succeed, right? You would do everything what is in your possibility for this coin to do great. The beauty definitely is that with Pzen, which is so small, it doesn't take that much. It just needs one big whale or a massive cascade of buyers stepping in and setting a new floor price, ramping up the price really high, quadruple it in a short matter of time, and then the market set the new floor, the new trading range, and the market has priced in these gains very fast. And those people that bought up the price very high, those are usually long-term thinkers as well. Whales holding coins for a long period of time with no intention to sell, like me myself. And with Pzen you don't even need to sell as you get a guaranteed yield. The price of Pzen. It goes higher and higher no matter what the market does. It is an uncorrelated asset ready to knock out this high here and ready for price discovery, my friends. Currently, 1 million Pzen costs you $1,200, which is still incredibly cheap for this protocol and for the future price when you consider what is about to happen. And if you take a look at the history, this is historically speaking a low price for Pzen. Let's check our daily stats. Let's be grateful for our daily earnings we get on every single transaction. In the last 24 hours we earned 34 Pzen, which have been added automatically to our wallet. We didn't even need to do anything at all. It's just enough to have them sit in your wallet and they will compound automatically. Only the existence is enough to participate in this amazing protocol. Even in a bear market, Zenites are making absolutely bank. If you haven't done so already, you can check out the link in the video description where it says how to buy Pzen, and then you can buy Pzen for yourself if you have done your research and of course if you feel comfortable in buying this coin. Of course, none of this on my channel is financial advice. That is the power of being early. That is the power of concentrated economic energy and of concentrated uniqueness in the community. A vibrant, changing, living piece of code that determined by the holders and is going to make everybody happy being involved today in this protocol. Whenever you watch this, I hope you have a great day or a great evening, and I will see you guys tomorrow in the next video. With that said, easy way out.